Hello. I am here to talk to you very quickly about something I got. Once again, it's not exactly thrifting, but I do kind of refer to when I go to the dollar stores. It's very similar to thrifting. The stuff may be new, but it isn't expensive. For example, if you see this box, I did get this tripod, and yes, it kind of looks like an octopus thing, and has these legs. I haven't really bent them up, but one of the things is you can have it very, very low. Like I've got this very low on the table, and it gives a different perspective. I also have I'm wired in with my microphone right here. It's in my head. Anyway, oh, look, we can look at the back. See, I'm using this tripod right now, so I really can't show it. It's very simple. It has these three legs, and you can bend them and put the thing up. And it has suction cups, and supposedly you can stick them on things. Now, have I tried this? No. Will I try it? I don't know. I don't know. I've not had great luck with suction cups in the past, in that they do tend to stick for a while and then drop things. Anyway, a tripod does not have to be an expensive endeavor. Actually, there were people I know who basically have taken a cup from Tim Hortons and taken scissors to it and cut a notch through on both sides and said, there's a tripod for a phone. I don't have a cup like that handy, but I'll show you that sometime. So, as always, as I say, you can spend a lot, but you don't have to. So why bother? Anyway, this box, of course, will go into the recycling. This, I think, hang on, $4.75. Octopus tripod. Smartphone stand support. Oh, it has 3 languages, I think, here. Anyway, it does show in here how you could maybe here, like, suction cup it to, it looks like kind of a back splash on a counter. Oh, and you know what else I didn't realize, of course. Here's one. It's actually got things where it's wrapped around something. I hadn't thought of that. I think I will mostly keep it on the desk. I think it may not have as much in the height adjustment, and I know it doesn't, but it looks stable, and that's important. Anyway, that's it. That's all for today. So, signing off from the pet room, David Bradley with a new tripod and a wired microphone that, of course, is dangling from my hat. Anyway, keep your stick on the ice. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.